About this motion, this House will focus on aggressive resolution to Indonesia's maritime commodity situation. I strongly disagree with the government with the principle that violence is the solution to every existing problem and would only cause unrelating division. The split can be in the form of loss of confidence of other country to want to cooperate, be considered an anti-peaceful country, and also be designated as a country that has a dictatorial system of government. These things are very likely to cause great losses for our country Indonesia because it toppled itself because of its non-peaceful loving system of government. Then I strongly disagree with this motion because our country Indonesia is known as a friendly, virtuous, and peace-loving country. Moreover, the preamble law in 1945 states that Indonesia participate in implementing world order based on independence, lasting peace, and social justice. Of course, if examined more deeply, it will be very different if our country takes an aggressive action. That it means that we no longer animate the meaning of the preamble to the 1945 Constitution, providing very extra security at the maritime border is in my opinion very vital because domestic problems are more important and there are still many things to be resolved. For example, the problem of the Free Papua Organization, which is now renamed an armed criminal group. This is the problem that the government should focus on is it concerns the fate of our unity. Rather than providing extra security at our maritime borders, which can actually be done and a cool head or through negotiation with the central government. Not only that, carrying out aggressive actions such as ship bombing at sea will only disturb, damage, and eliminate our own marine wealth in Indonesia. Quote from CNews.com in 2022, which state that bombing ship at sea would only pollute the sea. The pollution is caused by the presence of oil and wreckage of shipwrecks that will damage coral reef commodity and disrupt the activity of fish in it. Then the pollution is supported by the remnants of garbage from shipwrecks, such as plastic bottle waste or cigarette butts used by workers. It is conceivable not to, ladies and gentlemen, and my honorable judges. That's why I very strongly disagree with today's motion. Thus, the solution that I can provide compared to aggressive action is one. Provide fines to French country that carry out illegal fishing action with the deliberation and approval of the IMO, International Maritime Organization, and second is arrest our maritime thieves and thereafter we hand over the thief to their respective country so that punishment will be given according to the policy of their country. And the third is establish an authority for French country that fish illegally in Indonesia to be obligated to import goods from Indonesia. The advantage in this authority is that our export activity will skyrocket up and increase the counter foreign exchange as soon as possible. The conclusion that can be drawn for what I have described is that I strongly disagree with motion today. This House would focus on aggressive resolution to our maritime activity because of the many losses we will get in it. This is like the loss of activity focused on aggressive resolution, confidence of other country to want to cooperate, considered as a peaceful country, and also designated as a country that has a dictatorial system of government. And most importantly, if we approve the motion given today, it means that we have violated and reject the noble rules contained in the preamble to our country 1945 Constitution, where Indonesia shall participate in implementing world order based on independence, lasting peace, and social justice, as well as carrying out aggressive action will only cause harm to the marine of our country. There are so many things that Indonesia can do besides taking aggressive action. Will we imitate the system of our farmer if they don't act aggressively? Of course not, right, ladies and gentlemen. Therefore, we should uphold what has become the noble mind of our country, namely a peace-loving country. That's all from me, Monica Marcelina Iskandar from Mojo Agung Senior High School. Thank you.